welcome to the channel. Today, I'm diving into the fascinating world of Geographic Information Systems or GIS and how a cutting-edge AI tool called DeepSeek is revolutionizing the way we analyze and interpret geospatial data. Whether you're a GIS professional, a data scientist, or just someone curious about AI and maps, this video is for you. Let's start with the basics. DeepSeek is an advanced AI platform designed to handle complex data tasks with ease. It combines natural language processing, machine learning, and deep learning to deliver powerful insights across industries. Now, what is GIS? Geographic Information Systems are frameworks for gathering, managing, and analyzing spatial and geographic data. From urban planning and disaster management to environmental monitoring and logistics, GIS plays a critical role in decision-making across the globe. But here's the thing. Traditional GIS workflows often involve manual data processing, time-consuming analysis, and specialized software. That's where AI-powered solutions like DeepSeek come in, transforming how we work with geospatial data. So, how exactly does DeepSeek enhance GIS workflows? Let's break it down into 4 key areas. First up, data processing and analysis. GIS often involves massive datasets. Think satellite imagery, sensor data, or demographic information. DeepSeek can process and analyze these datasets at lightning speed, identifying trends and patterns that would take humans hours or even days to uncover. Next, automated feature extraction. DeepSeek can automatically extract features from geospatial data. For example, it can classify land cover, detect changes in urban areas, or even identify infrastructure like roads and buildings from satellite imagery. This automation saves time and reduces human error. Third, natural language querying for GIS. One of the coolest features of DeepSeek is its ability to understand natural language queries. Instead of writing complex code or using specialized tools, you can simply ask which areas are at risk of flooding or where are the most densely populated regions. DeepSeek interprets your question and generates actionable insights. Finally, model training and GeoAI integration. DeepSeek also allows users to fine-tune its models for specific geospatial tasks. Need to predict urban growth or assess disaster risks? You can train DeepSeek to deliver tailored solutions, integrating GeoAI into your workflow seamlessly. Now, let's see DeepSeek in action. Imagine you're a city planner tasked with identifying areas for new parks. Here's how DeepSeek can help. First, I type a query. Show me areas with low green space in the city. DeepSeek generates a map highlighting areas with minimal vegetation. Then, I zoom in, showing how DeepSeek can overlay population density data to prioritize locations. See how easy that was? DeepSeek not only identified the areas but also provided actionable insights in seconds. Now, let's compare DeepSeek to traditional GIS tools. While traditional methods require specialized knowledge and manual effort, DeepSeek automates much of the process, making GIS accessible to a wider audience. However, it's important to note that DeepSeek isn't a replacement for all GIS tools. It's a powerful complement. Challenges like data privacy and the need for high-quality training data still exist, but the benefits far outweigh the limitations. So, what's the takeaway? DeepSeek is a game changer for GIS, offering faster, smarter, and more accessible solutions for geospatial analysis. As AI continues to evolve, its role in GIS will only grow, enabling us to tackle complex challenges like climate change, urbanization, and disaster response more effectively. If you're excited about the possibilities, give DeepSeek a try for your GIS tasks. And don't forget to share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you're using AI to transform your workflows. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest